What's up, FM Squad? Welcome back to another banger, and I'm here at Vicente's house once again. I came over here to see how it looks during the day. I've been here a couple of times during the day, but I haven't really explored the place because it's big. Like I said earlier, it's a really big. He has a big land, and I'm going to parts that I haven't explored yet. I haven't explored, man. It's just creepy as. I'm getting some scary vibes here, man. Look how this place looks. It's crazy. It reminds me of the Blair Witch. It's kind of giving me that kind of vibe. The Blair Witch Project. Oh shit! Damn you, spider! I got spider webs all over my face now. I swear to God, this hurts. Some yelling. Fan here. There he goes. His land goes way back here. Oh, look, a frog. I don't know if you can see that. I wonder if it gets flooded back here. Now I don't know why he has a fence back here. He has cows, so he doesn't want the cows to go way back here for some reason. I don't know why. He keeps them close by. There's a lot of mosquitoes back here though. I'm just here for a little bit though. I really do apologize if this video is short for you guys, but I want to give you the other side of his land that I haven't seen yet. I keep hearing the man's voice. Come on, fucking. Damn, I can't even speak. That damn spot by where my mouth. Let's see. Okay, I got out of there. There's a lot of mosquitoes back there, but I told Vicente to open this up for me. He was trying to hug me earlier. Well, she came up to me, tried to hug me, and I hugged her back, and I guess she didn't like that. I told Vicente to open this up for me last time. I came here because I wanted to see how it looks inside. Sorry guys, I'm out of breath. I just ate. So, food coma, man. Food coma. Overeat, man. Limit yourself. But anyways, I told him to open this place up for me so I can check it out. And he did. He told me that he's been hearing some strange voices in here. Like strange knocking and movement. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm just using my phone. I'm using my phone, by the way, so I forgot my camera. Like always, right? This is a shower. Oh, whoa. The floor's not stable here. Looks like they were doing some fixing up in here. Oh, that's the door to close it. Where's the toilet at? I think this is the toilet. Oh yeah, it is the toilet. I can't fit in. Whoa. Whoa. Shit. Where the fuck is that knocking sound? Let me get the fuck out of here. It's getting real creepy. I feel dizzy. Man, it sucks. I'm using my phone. I was gonna do a spirit box in there. I'm guessing those are the knocks that he was hearing. What the hell? There's nobody on the other side. Okay. Maybe he wasn't lying about the knocking sounds. Oh, oh man, I missed it. Oh, that's not an eagle. It's a big bird though.